Hello everyone! I will bring you all to see Khmer Kite. The Khmer Kite is a traditional Khmer kite that has been part of Cambodian culture for centuries. Kite flying is a popular recreational activity in Cambodia, especially during the rice harvest season. The design and construction of Khmer kites is unique, often reflecting elements of culture and art. Now we go to the place where the kite is flying. We came to see the kite. It is harvest time. Now the fields are golden. They set nets to protect animals and insects. When we arrived, it was very fresh, because we saw the green plants and all the rice plants. The wind came to touch us and we felt relieved from the stress. Seeing rice reminds me of when I was a child. When I harvested, I was happy when I helped transport rice to keep at home. Rice fields are abundant in Cambodia, and they play a crucial role in the country's economy and culture. Cambodia is known for its lush green landscapes, especially during the rice growing season. When planning a visit to see rice fields in Cambodia, consider hiring a local guide or joining a guided tour to get insights into local farming practices and to explore off-the-beaten-path areas. In addition, one should check the best time to visit based on the growing season to visit the fields at the most vibrant and lush stages. Remember the importance of respecting local customs. Now we have arrived at the place where the kite was launched. Khmer kites are typically made from lightweight materials such as bamboo and paper. The frame is constructed using bamboo sticks, providing a sturdy yet flexible structure. The kite's surface is covered with colorful paper or fabric. The design of Khmer kites often incorporates traditional Khmer art and symbols. Common motifs include images of animals, mythological figures, and religious symbols. The kites are known for their vibrant colors and intricate designs. Khmer kites come in various shapes and sizes. Some are relatively simple in design, while others can be more elaborate and artistic. Common shapes include animals, birds, and geometric patterns. Many Khmer kites feature long decorative tails that add stability and visual appeal. These tails can be made from ribbons, fabric, or other materials, and are often as colorful as the kite itself. Kite flying is an integral part of several Cambodian festivals and celebrations. During these events, people gather to fly kites, compete in kite flying contests, and enjoy the festive atmosphere. In some areas, especially during festivals, there are kite flying competitions. Participants showcase their skills in controlling and maneuvering their kites, and judges evaluate factors such as design, altitude, and stability. Beyond being a source of entertainment, Khmer kites hold cultural significance. They are associated with traditional beliefs and are sometimes flown as a symbolic gesture to bring good luck and ward off evil spirits.